Chili's UAE, and I heard a lot about Chili's. I tried before as well, but since I'm here, I thought why not make a video out of it. So I'm gonna show you the menu and I'll show you what will I order. Alright? So the appetizers, they have a nice one here. They have a triple dipper. You can choose cheese bites, chicken crispers like this is gonna come, and this will cost you total, if you take, it's gonna be 64 dirhams. So you'll get 2 burgers, 2 side dishes and chicken crispers with the dip as well. Coming here, what I liked about is the wings. If you check, this is boneless wings loaded with cheese and crispy. Now this is boneless chipotle wings. It looks very tasty. Here you get a lot of variety of salads. You can get Santa Fe crispy salad. You can get quesadillas as well. Thank you. You can get boneless buffalo chicken. Coming to the sandwiches, people, they love sandwiches, you know. Tired of eating McDonald's and stuff, so go for this one. It's very nice and crispy. So I'll show you the varieties here. This one, the big mouth burger. This is pretty big. Look at the size. This is huge. It will not fit in your mouth. So there are 3 types: specialty, premium and classic. You can choose anyone depending on your preference. So here it's mushroom. This is the boss, and this is chili burger. If you like chili eating, come to Chili and eat the chili burger. So it's nice. The best part, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is fresh Mex bowl. It comes with 2-1 margarita chicken and chipotle chicken. If you see, it comes with grilled chicken, greens, rice, corns and black beans, salsa, avocado as well. So it's pretty much a big meal. I ordered this one. I'll show you once it comes. I'll show it to you how it looks. And the quesadillas, obviously people, they come to Chili's to eat quesadillas. Here comes the steaks, the huge meal. If you have a big appetite, if you have big stomach, big mouth, you can go for steaks. Beef eaters, they can try beef. Chicken and seafood also, you get pasta, you get lasagna and stuff here. Definitely for sweet tooth, sweet stuff is here. You can take smoothies, you can take brownies, you can take chocolates, you can take fried cheesecake as well. I've tried this before, it's very nice. And last but not the least, drinks. My drink is here and this is unlimited. You can refill as much as you want. And the guy just bought me this tortilla with salsa sauce. And this is on the house, guys. So eat as much as you can. So guys, finally my chicken Mex bowl is here. You can see it looks very yum. And this is the steak we ordered. Comes along with mac and cheese. And this is the house Caesar salad. Both of them looks yummy. I'll dig into it and I'll let you know how it is. Alright? Before I start to eat, I'll tell you this one is unlimited times refillable. So I'll tell you how many times I'll refill as well, alright? So you will come to know how much times I drank this one. My previous record is 3 full this one. So let's see how many times I finish this one this time, alright? Guys, you won't believe this is my 3rd glass. Almost done with my food. It's pretty heavy, you know. You can see both the plates, this plate or this plate. It's like we managed to finish only 50% of the food. It's really heavy and it's really tasty though. But then maybe I'll go for takeaway because I cannot finish, I'm already full. With the 3rd one, I'm done. My experience will be Chili's is very good. If you need varieties, you need grilled chicken, you need salsa sauce, you need Mexican rice, you need tortillas, you need steak, you need mac and cheese, you need salad, whatever you want, Chili's is the place to come. come, eat, enjoy with your family and friends, and you will like it. So guys, I decided to finish this and push myself and take another, the fourth one. What do you think? Should I do it? Or will I be able to do it? Let's check it out. It's pretty cold. It's like I'll get my brain freeze. I'm dead. Well, let's take the fourth one. So guys, my fourth one. The guy is shocked as well. How can a guy like this can drink four, you know? So I'll finish this off as well.
A few moments later.
Finally, my takeaway is here because I did not finish my food and I don't like to waste it. So I'll take it away and see you in the next video. Until then, like, comment, share and subscribe. Buddy Boy Can signing off.